Hi guys, it's Frankie here. Hope you're all doing well. So I wanted to do this video today because I did this post on my Instagram channel, Eyelash Excellence, and I've got a link to that in the description, so don't forget to follow us if you don't already. And it was on styling mistakes, and it seemed to be really popular, and a lot of my styling posts are popular, so I thought I'd make it into a YouTube video just to help you guys, because this is a common mistake that I see all the time on the forums, and that is where you are dragging the eye downwards, and it is very, very simple to rectify. It is usually through incorrect training or people listening too much to what their clients want and their clients don't know about correct styling. So I'm going to try and keep this really short and just help you to understand how you map an eye to create lift rather than dragging it down. Now, very quickly, I've been in the industry 10 years. I solely do lashes. That is my niche. I am a lash artist. I'm an educator. I have my own brand. I am an international speaker and a judge as well. So my niche is styling, which I really enjoy, and that's why I try and bring these styling videos to you guys, as well as post a lot of it on my Instagram, just to really help you, because styling is such an important part and it's what's going to keep your customers coming back. So let's jump onto this image here. This is a great visual image, and I think in this industry we're all very, very visual. And you can see that if you are looking at this model here in front of us, the eye on the left, which would be her right eye, is lifted, whereas the eye on the right is drooping downwards. Both the same eyes, it's just how the lashes have been applied that makes this eye droopy. Like I said, it's a common mistake that I always see, and it is through incorrect placements of the incorrect lengths across the eye. So what I've got here is another image where I've split this model in half and pretty much reflected the styles, because again, I think this image really shows how if we get the lashes right, it lifts the eye, and if we don't get it right, it drags the eye downwards. And I see this all the time. Like I said, I see it on forums. I also see it on a lot of people walking around with eyelash extensions. And I don't understand why people think that the sleepy, droopy look is a good look. When we apply cosmetics or any cosmetic procedure that people have done, they do it to try and make themselves look more youthful. And a youthful look is where everything is lifted, because over time, everything will start to droop on the face, on the body. So if you're actually applying lashes that are droopy, you are making that client look older, because you're making the eye drag downwards. It's going to make the eye look more closed, and it's just going to give a sleepy look. That's everything we don't want to do. And again, I don't understand why people think this is such a great look. So what I've done here is I've used another image that's really zoomed in just to show you what I'm talking about. Now, if you look on the left, this is the common lash map that I see most people doing. And it's something like a 9, a 10, 11, a 12, and then 11 on the outer corner. Okay, some people go up to 13, 14 millimeters, etc. Now, what happens here is when you start with inners that are really long, like a 9 millimeter, that length in the inner corner is going to drag the eye downwards, because what happens if you think about a 9 millimeter being the shortest on this eye and a 12 millimeter being the longest, there's only 3 millimeters difference between the lengths used in the set. So what this means is that it offers no height. There's no distinction between very short lengths and very long lengths. There's no almost climb up the hill to give that contrast. Imagine a hill. The higher the peak, the taller the hill. And on an eye, this is going to give more lift over the eye. And you can visually see this if you look at the left image and the right image, where there are more lash lengths used. So the key to actually getting height and opening that eye right up is that you've got to use lots of lengths in your lash mat, and you've got to start short and you've got to finish short. Now, if you look at the top Russian lash artists, they always have very short inners and very short outers because they understand they are the queens of lashes. I've trained with a lot of them so that I can always be up to date and I can learn from the very, very best. If you tend to look at us British and American lash artists, not sounding disrespectful, we don't seem to have the best training, and all of our lash sets don't really accentuate the eyes properly, and you'll see that there's only a very few select good lash artists that use this type of mapping that lifts the eye. And that's not me being biased or having my own personal opinion. You can visually see it here from these examples, which is why I use these visual examples here. So always start short and then go up to longer length and then drop down. So on this lash map on the left here, we've actually only used a 9, 10, 11 and a 12. Like I said, that's 4 lash lengths. Whereas on the right here, we've used a 6, a 7, an 8, a 9, a 10, 11, a 12, a 13. Can you see how many lengths have been used in that set? And that's what gives that peaking and that rounding effect to create that height. And again, just to prove what I'm talking about here, I've put these two images side by side like they are a real face together. You can visually see it for yourself. If you want the droopy look and you think that looking tired and sleepy and heavy-eyed is attractive, absolutely go for that lash map. But if you want that eye to be lifted, you've got to go for a map like this. And it's really important that you guys educate your clients, because your clients don't understand what the shape of their eye is like. They don't understand that if they have a lot of length in that inner corner, it's going to drag the eye downwards. If you are somebody that watches Love Island, that is a classic place to look at really incorrectly styled lashes. In the UK here, I don't know who does the lashes on the girls, but oh my god, over the years we've had some horrendous sets of lashes applied on absolutely stunning girls, but it just makes them look so sleepy. And with correct styling, it would just completely change the appearance of that person wearing them and really accentuate their natural beauty. So please take on board these styling tips here, because this is what is going to take your lashing to the next level, and this is what I'm looking for at competition level when I'm lashing, is this type of mapping. And like I said, this is what the top lash artists in the world are doing. If you don't believe me, go and search them and you will see these types of maps. Now, I appreciate that styling can be really difficult, especially if you are new to lashes. So what I've got, well, firstly is I've got loads of stuff on my YouTube channel, so go and check out my other videos. I've got great posts as well on Instagram, so go and check us out at Eyelash Excellence, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook as well. But also on the website, I have got these lash maps that I've been working on, and they are going on the website very soon, so they're going to be going live. Now if you're watching this video way after I've posted this, they will be on there, so head over to the website eyelashexcellence.com and you will be able to either buy these in A4 form or you'll be able to print them off yourself digital. They're just so that you can practice your lash maps on, and if you are somebody that runs training, I've also made them unbranded as well, so you can use them in your training academies. Don't forget they are copyrighted, so you can't go and pass them off as your own like some people like to do in this industry, but they're there for you guys to use, like I said, with either your students or yourself. We do also have lash mapping stickers, so these are stickers that you actually stick over the client iPads and you can follow the lash map on there, and there's so many different styles on there. Again, they are on the website under our mapping guides and training aids. We've got loads of great stuff on there to assist you guys, but please don't forget to check out my other videos. I have tried to keep this one very short, and I really do hope that this one has assisted. If you did like this video, please give us a like and leave us a comment. And also, if you do attempt this styling, please actually, when you've done your work, if you're on Instagram, tag me, because I'd like to see it, and we always do like to share some of our followers' work. So if you would like the chance to be showcased on our Instagram channel, don't forget to tag us in your work. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you at my next video. Bye bye!